how to buy coin on Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can buy coin on Trust Wallet. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you would like to buy coins on Trust Wallet, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all, launch the Trust Wallet application that you can find over there. Once you launch a Trust Wallet application here, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Now, depending upon which coin you would like to buy, which means cryptocurrencies, obviously, you want to just tap the buy option here, and then you should be able to see a list of cryptocurrencies that are available for you to buy. So supposing that you would like to buy Bitcoin, you can just select BTC over here. Enter, let's say you want to buy $150 worth of Bitcoin, you can select $150 as to how much you're ready to invest. Once you have done that, you can just tap the buy option over here that you would be able to find, and then you'll be able to buy coins on Trust Wallet. This way you'll be able to buy coins on Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.